A few months ago, I received an emergency call from a client on a Sunday morning. Nobody could access their Microsoft 365 email. At first, it sounded like a routine outage, but within minutes, we discovered something much worse. Every user account in the tenant had been deleted. Even the global administrator account was logged out. What started as a tenant takeover investigation eventually became one of the most practical examples I have ever seen how AI can help IT administrators solve real-world problems. As we work through the recovery process, I use Google Gemini to analyze logs, suggest additional evidence to collect, generate PowerShell scripts, and help piece together what had eventually happened. In many ways, it felt like having a technical assistant helping me solve a puzzle. In this video, I walk you through the entire process. Here's how the investigation unfolded. First, I will show you how we regain access to a Microsoft 365 tenant after being completely logged out. Then, I will show you how Google Gemini helped analyze the evidence and reconstruct the attack timeline. After that, we will look how AI helped generate PowerShell scripts and identify logs that uncovered information we couldn't easily see through the admin portals. And finally, I will walk you through the cleanup process and the security changes we implemented to prevent this from happening again. By the end of this video, you will see how AI can become a practical assistant for Microsoft 365 administrators when troubleshooting complex incidents and solving real-world problems. Let's get started. The first challenge wasn't investigating the attack. It was getting back into the tenant. When attackers gain administrative access, they often create additional administrators' accounts, modify permissions, and remove access from legitimate administrators. That's exactly what happened here. We couldn't simply reset a password and move on. The tenant had been effectively being taken over. To regain access, we had to work directly with Microsoft Data Protection team. Because this was considered a tenant takeover, Microsoft requires a manual verification process. We had to verify ownership of the business, confirm domain information, and provide supporting documentation before access could be restored. The process took time, but eventually, Microsoft helped us regain access to a verified administrator account. Only then could the investigation begin. Once we regained access, the scope of the damage became clear. All 49 users' accounts had been deleted. The next question was obvious. How did this happen? If you ever work with Microsoft 365 audit logs, you know how quickly the data becomes overwhelming. Thousands of records, multiple log sources, different timestamps, plenty of noise. This is where I brought Google Gemini into the investigation. Not to replace my expertise, but to help me process the information faster. I exported the signing logs and audit records and asked Gemini to identify unusual administrative activity. Here's my initial prompt. Analyze these Microsoft 365 signing logs and identify unusual administrative activity during the 7 days leading up to the account deletions. Then I asked Gemini to create a timeline of events. Within seconds, Gemini organized thousands of records into a readable sequence. That timeline reveals something important. The account deletions happened on a Sunday, but the suspicious activity starts several days earlier. One account immediately stood out. It was a service account used for an office printer. The account had elevated permissions, but no multi-factor authentication. As we continued reviewing the evidence, that account appeared to be the most likely entry point of the environment. That discovery completely changed the direction of the investigation. One thing that surprised me wasn't that Gemini wasn't simply answering questions. It was actively suggesting additional areas to investigate. As we worked through the evidence, Gemini recommended reviewing additional Microsoft 365 logs and reports that I hadn't initially considered. Even more helpful, it told me exactly where to find them. Gemini suggested reviewing additional audit records, mailbox activity, signing information to validate our findings. Each new log source helps us confirm what happened and uncover another piece of the puzzle. At that point, it felt less like I was chatting with the AI and more like I had an assistant helping guide the investigation. As we gathered more evidence, Gemini helped identify suspicious patterns and eliminate false alarms. One example involved mailbox activity. We noticed a large number of item deletions occurring within seconds. That type of activity doesn't look like a normal user behavior. It looks automated. I asked Gemini to review that mailbox audit data and identify unusual patterns. The result helped focus the investigation on the activity that mattered most. But one of the biggest advantages wasn't finding suspicious events. It was also eliminating distractions. During the recovery process, we found another administrative event that initially looked suspicious. At first, it appeared to be a second attacker. I copied the event details into Gemini and asked for an explanation. After reviewing the information, Gemini identified characteristics that match a legitimate third-party license provider. After additional verification, we confirmed that it was not related to the attack. That saved us hours of unnecessary investigation. If you have seen my previous video, Use AI to create a PowerShell script with Google Gemini, then you already seen how Gemini can help administrators generate PowerShell code. This incident gave me the opportunity to use that approach in a real-world investigation. Instead of building a script from scratch, I described exactly what I wanted to investigate. For example, create a PowerShell script that search all online exchange mailboxes for hidden inbox rules and export the result to a CSV file. Gemini generated a working framework within seconds. After reviewing and validating the code, we used it to investigate the environment. We generated scripts to review mailbox permissions, search delete content folders, identify unauthorized administrators, search for hidden inbox rules, export audit information. Every script still required review and testing, but Gemini dramatically reduced the time required to build investigative tools. Once we understood what happened, it was time to secure the environment. First, we revoked active sign-in sessions. Second, we reset credentials. Third, we removed unauthorized administrator accounts. Fourth, we reviewed administrative permissions through the tenant. Then we focused on preventing future incidents. The most important changes included enforcing multi-factor authentication, reviewing service accounts, removing unnecessary administrative permissions, blocking legacy authentication, implementing less privileged access, and establishing regular security reviews. One of the biggest lessons from this incident was that the attack didn't begin with a sophisticated exploit. It began with a forgotten account that had elevated permissions and no multi-factor authentication. What I found most interesting about this experience was that Gemini didn't simply answer questions. It helped identify patterns, suggested additional evidence to collect, recommended logs to review, explained unfamiliar events, and generated scripts that accelerated the investigation. Every time we uncover one piece of information, Gemini helped point us toward the next piece of the puzzle. Of course, every finding still needed to be validated by an administrator, but throughout the process, it genuinely felt like having a technical assistant sitting beside me helping connect the dots. And that's where I believe AI provides the most value for IT administrators today, not by replacing expertise, but by helping us investigate faster, ask better questions, and uncover information that might otherwise take much longer to find. If you are using Gemini, Copilot, Claude, or ChatGPT in your Microsoft 365 environment, let me know in the comments. And if you'd like to see more real-world Microsoft administration, security investigation, and AI workflows, make sure to subscribe. Remember, stay secure in the cloud, keep tech savvy, and one step ahead with AI. I'm Carlos, and I will see you in the next video.